All right, Nicole, can you present about deafblind and the use of technology?
Thank you, Martina, for letting me take some time and take the floor here. I really appreciate it. Good morning, everybody. My name is Nicole Allman. I am the new Deafblind Services Specialist here at the Raleigh Regional Center. As Martina said, we offer a variety of services that basically covers everything they need. They want hearing aids, I'm the person that they see. They need advocacy services, I'm the person that they'll see.
I'm Nicole Allman, and I'm the Deafblind Services Specialist for the Division of Services for Deaf and Hard of Hearing with the Department of Health and Human Services, and I've been here for 4 months. As a social worker for the department, the position actually affords me the opportunity to empower my clients. They're able to be whatever and whoever they want to be and don't let their disabilities stop them. That truly excites me because I identify as a deafblind person and I feel that I can be of service and be a leader to deafblind consumers in this community. They're such a vulnerable population and they come to visit me at their most vulnerable times. They have a desire to work with staff that understand them, who can relate to them and their frustrations and their struggles. I can then share my own personal experience about how I became who I am today. So they have someone to look up to. And I walk alongside them until they are able to be successful on their own. I think that's the biggest key. The reason why I went into social work is because it's a helping profession. I really like sitting down and working one-on-one with someone and brainstorming and giving them ideas. I'm here to listen to them and their frustrations. I'm here to provide anything that they may need. And we are able to work better with deafblind consumers because of those services. When I do home visits with deafblind clients, the first thing that I see is a big smile on their face because they know they can rely on us. I'm there to offer accommodations for them so that I can teach them to feel self-reliant.
Nicole came to help me with some of the technology problems that I was experiencing. It was on my iPad. It wasn't working, and I was able to learn that I could tap the screen and make the font larger, so she helped me set that up, and now it's much better.
The iPad has a feature called Zoom Text, and when I show that to them, they are thrilled.
I use it for making phone calls, for emails, reading the news, just being on the internet, talking with my family and friends, lots of different things.
And that makes me excited that I'm able to empower them and I can see their personal growth.
You could even use the video relay service. There's a webcam over to the left-hand side of the screen. Okay. And it's free. It's a free service offered at no cost.
Nicole has really shocked me. I mean, to be honest with you, I'm just encouraged and very excited to know her. She's deafblind, and just as my wife is deafblind, that's something that we can depend on, and she understands who we are.
I feel like I have a connection with Nicole, because we can understand one another, we have the same communication, and I'm happy to know that she's aware of my needs, and it gives me a sense of pride, and I feel very good about our community. If I did not have the Department of Health and Human Services, I'm not really sure what I would do. They have been very beneficial. I mean, if they weren't here, I would be very disappointed.
As a social worker working for the Department of Health and Human Services, I bring my work ethic, my experience in advocacy and empowerment and consultation to all of the clients in North Carolina. And seeing our clients feeling a greater sense of self-esteem is amazing, and there's no better feeling than that. With DHHS's full support, my passion in working with deafblind consumers is able to be taken advantage of, and DHHS has given me so many ideas and has provided multiple ways for me to empower the consumers that we serve. The department here in North Carolina is an awesome place, so I'm thrilled and I look forward to continue working here for many years.